How's it going, everyone? I'm Joe, and this is Random Fishing. Down here at the creek today, we're going to take a few casts, see what we can catch. There we go. Oh. Well, we did have one. Drag was set too low. Didn't quite get a good hook set on him. That's all right. We'll get another. There we go. Oh, we got this one. Oh yeah. Nice looking smallmouth. Easy there, buddy. This fat guy there, he's been eating good. Let's put him back. Well, a lot of times when the big ones aren't biting, I put on the old trout worm. I know we could always catch some little ones. That's better than catching nothing. There we go. Nice little smallie. On the old trout worm. Put him back. There we go. Oh yeah. Whoa. There, a little smallmouth. Put him back. There we go. Oh yeah. Good looking fish there. Oh, put him back. There, a little smallie. Put him back. There we got something. Just a little smallmouth under the bridge. There he is. Let's put him back. We get another little smallie. A little bigger than the other guys. There he is. Put him back. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh, we got this big old drum on the Ned rig. Oh yeah. A lot of fun on my little trout pole here. Easy there, buddy. Oh. I can get him on over here. Come on, pal. Let me get a hold of you. There he is right there. Big old sheephead, freshwater drum, whatever you want to call them. Let's put them back on the old Ned rig. I want to give a shout out to a couple of my viewers, Ken and Max. They live not too far from here. Maybe I should have got them to come on down here and show me how to catch some fish. There we go. That feels like a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh, good looking creek smallmouth there. Easy there, pal. Oh yeah. There we go. That's more like it. Good looking fish. Let's put them back. Well, that about does it for today. We did manage to catch a few. Couple nice smallmouth, couple little ones, one nice drum. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time on Random Fishing.